Let's divide 434 by 2. Hey math adventurers, it's your favorite teacher here, ready to tackle some long division. If you love learning math, hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family. We've got tons of fun math adventures waiting for you. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We're dividing 434 by 2. We look at the first digit of 434, which is 4. We're going to use this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 4? Let's see. 2 times 2 equals 4. So we write 2 in the quotient. Now let's multiply. 2 times 2 equals 4. We subtract 4 from our first digit, 4. That gives us 0. Easy peasy. You're doing amazing. You've got this. We finished the first step. Now let's move on to the next digit. Time for the next digit. We bring down the 3 from 434. Now we have 3. We're using the next digit 3 to continue our division. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time because 2 times 1 is 2. Let's multiply our quotient digit 1 by the divisor 2. That's 1 times 2, which is 2. Now we subtract 2 from 3. What do we get? A remainder of 1. Wow, you're doing so great. Keep up the fantastic work. We're on a roll. Let's bring down the next digit to make our number even bigger. Here comes the last digit. We bring down the 4 and our remainder 1 joins it. Now we have 14. We combine the remainder 1 with the next digit 4 to make 14. This is our new number to divide. How many times does 2 go into 14? Think of your 2 times tables. It's 7 because 2 times 7 is 14. Let's check our work. Multiply the 7 from our quotient by the divisor 2. That's 7 times 2, which equals 14. Subtract 14 from 14. What's left? 0. We have no remainder this time. You did it. You've reached the end of this division problem. You're a math superstar. And that's it. We've divided 434 by 2. Our final answer is 217. Hooray. So we divided 434 by 2, and guess what? We got 217. Great job, everyone! We just conquered 434 divided by 2, step by step. Remember, long division is like a puzzle, and you solved it with a score of 217. Keep practicing, and you'll become a math whiz in no time. That's all for today's math adventure. Keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to check out more awesome videos on Let's Stud. See you next time, Math Stars.